Okay, so it is the middle of the night, but I wanted to film a video for you guys. So I'm gonna be testing out this viral hair coloring treatment thing I've been seeing like all over Instagram. Instagram definitely made me buy it because it was just like, oh my gosh, I can change my hair color and not get damaged. Okay, so I was shook when I saw that. So I didn't buy like the version that I saw on Instagram. I went on my handy dandy Amazon.
And that was my first mistake.
So I bought this off of Amazon and I got the color gold, and everything's in a different language. So everything is in a different language on this packaging, but it does have the English instructions on Amazon. So it's pretty simple. So the instructions are pretty simple. It just says to clean your hair, dry it, take a good amount of the wax from the bottle onto the palm of your hand. Use your fingers to apply product to the scalp, pulling hairs together. Repeat, wash out easy with warm water. So it should be a pretty simple, pretty easy task. I am gonna like put some towels down and stuff just in case because I just bought new rugs.
Not trying to mess up my rugs now.
So I just washed my hair today, so it is clean. I don't have any product in my hair, so that shouldn't affect anything. But I'm just gonna like wing it, you know what I'm saying? Like I wing everything else in my life, I'm gonna wing this. Just take a small amount here. Can you see that? It has a very strong smell. I would say it kind of smells like male cologne. Male cologne. Well, it smells like cologne. Like it doesn't smell bad at all. It actually smells nice. This stuff is like, this stuff is kind of making my curls stiff. Like I saw like a bunch of girls with curly hair do this, and with natural hair do this. So I don't know why everything is always so difficult for me. Girls on Instagram make everything look so easy. This is messy. This is messy. This is messy.
This is the moment where I decided to go big or go home, and I just started applying it everywhere with no technique or no skill because why not?
Yeah, I missed a whole section of my hair. Okay. Now, it's all gonna be gold or none of it is gonna be gold. We're gonna use this whole jar, okay? That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna use the whole jar.
So I saw many girls using a blow dryer to dry their hair, and I thought maybe, just maybe, this was the key to success. I was wrong.
This is how it turned out. Let me at least wipe some of it. Okay, Okay, y'all, so this is how my gold hair turned out. It looks crazy. You know, down below in the comment section, what do you think I could have done differently to make this turn out better? But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'm gonna wash this out of my hair.